everybody, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I have a super exciting homeschooling video for you guys. I have been chomping at the bit for months, ever since I heard that The Good and the Beautiful is coming out with a high school level program, because you guys know, if you've watched my channel, that I have a soon-to-be third grader and a soon-to-be ninth grader. So a soon-to-be freshman in high school, and we have struggled in particular with what to do with her for grammar and writing. And so it's been kind of a yo-yo. I did a video about that at the end of last school year, kind of how we're still just trying to figure out what works. And I wanted to use The Good and the Beautiful for her, but they didn't have a high school level. Now they do. They have 4 high school levels, 1 for each year of high school, and I cannot tell you how excited I am to be doing an unboxing of year 1 of The Good and the Beautiful high school language arts curriculum. Now, when I say language arts, it also includes, let me just read this to you, literature, writing, grammar, usage and punctuation, spelling, vocabulary, geography, and art. So that alone takes so much planning and thought off of me, because I don't have to go find something special for art. I don't have to find something special for geography or literature. It's all in one curriculum, and I just cannot tell you how excited I am. Today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of The Good and the Beautiful Level 1 Language Arts Kit for high school. I actually have the physical high school language arts starter kit and high school school 1 pack. So when it says physical high school pack, that just means that I get the actual books and everything sent to me. They also have a PDF version that you can download and print. It is a little bit less expensive, but you do have to print all that at home, so it's going to be quite time consuming and take a lot of paper and ink. But that's definitely an option for you if you'd want to do that instead of getting the physical copies. I personally wanted the physical copies, and then they also are sending the high school 1 pack, which includes the readers that go along with the literature. So all the books that she's going to be reading for level 1 are included in this bundle. Okay, so I have gone ahead and opened the box and everything, and I unwrapped everything. Everything came sealed together and wrapped really nicely so it doesn't get damaged, and it came really quickly, so that is nice. I'm going to show you everything that came in the box for the high school level 1 kit. First thing you get is the Good and the Beautiful Grammar and Writing Guide. This is something they're going to be using along with the curriculum. It's going to have different information about grammar, punctuation, and usage. So all of these topics here, absolute phrases, a sentence needs these 3 things, apostrophes, appositives, colons, comma rules, run-on sentences, semicolons. So everything you're going to need to know is going to be in this book. It's also going to talk about commonly confused words, and then your writing section. So this is something the student is going to refer to whenever the little instruction manual tells them to go to a certain page and read about whatever the lesson is about. Also, there are 10 units in the high school level 1 course, and they are all individually in different workbooks. So unit 1, unit 2, all the way through unit 10. And so each of these is going to tell them and walk them through each of their lessons. It tells you when you first open it up the items you're going to need, your art supplies, and then your course instructions, so what to do on the first day, and so on. And then also if you want a regular path, or do you want to do an honors path and finish in less than 1 year. So we're definitely just going to stick with the regular path, finishing in 1 school year. I am not in a hurry to graduate her early, so that honors path is not an option for us. But if it is something that you or your student really wants to work towards, it will tell you in the book what they need to do to finish the course in less than 1 school year. Also get your geography cards, and like I said, geography is something that is included in the program, and I love that. We have done separate geography curriculums in the past, and that's worked out fine, but it is something that I usually have to go and find and plan out and how to incorporate it into our day. This is nice because it's already planned out for me. It's already incorporated into her language arts program. I know it's not going to be forgotten, and it's just really exciting. And so all of the cards that she's going to need to refer to and study are in this unit as well. And then I talked about the different reading that she's going to be doing in this high school unit. So it comes with all of the books that she's going to need. You do not have to purchase these from The Good and the Beautiful. You can definitely purchase them somewhere else. But I think I mentioned earlier that I like how The Good and the Beautiful has taken out any profanity. I know that doesn't bother some people, but it bothers me, and I still want her to be able to read some of these amazing books and famous books and award-winning books without having to have the profanity in it. That's just my personal preference and my opinion. So I think it's worth it to get them from The Good and the Beautiful because they do take all of that out for you. So these are all the books that she's going to be reading in her first year using The Good and the Beautiful for high school. So she's going to be reading Up from Slavery, Patterns on the Wall, The Story of John Greenleaf Whittier, Into the Unknown, and Just David. I just want to show you an example of one of the art projects that she's going to be doing. I mean, like on this one, it talks about painting a tree and using watercolor and teaching different watercolor techniques to create the tree. Here they show using the outline and then using the watercolors to paint the tree. I just think she's going to absolutely love that, and it's nice that it is already incorporated into the curriculum for me. That is everything that came with my The Good and the Beautiful Level 1 high school curriculum. Very, very excited to be using this and sharing more with you guys about it. You're going to be seeing it in my 9th graders curriculum choices video that'll be coming up very soon. We'll also be seeing a more in-depth kind of lesson walkthrough. So taking one specific lesson from one of the books and going through it and kind of showing you a little bit more in depth. I can also show you a little bit more of the table of contents if you want to see that. But today I just want to share with you what came in this set, what you can expect to get if you purchase the same kit that I got. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.